everyone, today we're going to dive into a world of fractions. Specifically, we'll be mastering how to add and subtract unlike fractions. Before we begin calculating, let's just refresh our memories on some key terms. Unlike fractions, these are fractions that have different denominators, for example, 1/4 and 1/5. Mixed numbers, this is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 2 and 1/3 is an example of a mixed number. So we're going to do a question. Imagine you're on a picnic. Your friend Danny ate 1/2 of a watermelon slice and Kai ate 1/6 of a slice. How much did they eat together? To solve this, we need to add these two fractions together. However, we have a problem. These two fractions have two different denominators. We can't add them since the denominators are different. So we have to turn 1/2 into a fraction with a denominator of 6. That is done by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Now your 1/2 becomes 3/6. Step 2. We have to add the numerators, 3 plus 1, but keep the denominator the same, which is 6. So that means 3/6 plus 1/6 equals to 4/6, or also known as 4/6. Together, your friends Danny and Kai ate 4/6 of a watermelon slice, also known as 4/6 of a watermelon slice. Your teachers may ask you to simplify this final fraction here. To be able to simplify it further, you have to look at the multiple or the multiplication that goes into both these two numbers. And you have to think about which times table that is. In this instance, it's 2 times tables. So you have to look at which 2 times tables goes into 2 and 6. So 2 times 2 gets you 4. And for the 6, it's 3 times 2. So this would be 2/3. Now let's try subtraction. Elise took 3/4 of lemons to make lemonade, or 3/4 of kilos of lemons to make lemonade, but she only used 2/3 kilos. How much does she have left? Since we're looking for the remainder, we need to subtract. So step 1 is to find the common multiple for the denominators of 4 and 3. The common multiple here is 12, so you need to multiply 3/4 by 3 to get to 9/12. Multiply 2/3 by 4 to get to 8/12. Step 2. Subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So 9/12 take away 8/12 leaves us with 1/12. Elise has 1/12 kilograms of lemons left. Let's summarize what we have learned today. Number 1, before adding or subtracting, the fractions must have the same denominator. You'll find this by looking at the common multiple, or you have to look for the common multiple. Once the denominators match, simply add or subtract the numerators, keeping the denominator the exact same. Do not change the denominator. Now it's your turn. Try these two problems. Let's check your work. For the first problem, 5 over 8 take away 2 over 8 gives you 3 over 8. Sam's house is 3 over 8 kilometers further. For the second one, 7 over 14 plus 6 over 14 gives you 13 over 14.